this lesson, I am going to show you how to create the freeze frame clone effect in Premiere Pro. I have this clip on my timeline that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take screenshots of the parts of the clip I want to freeze frame. So I'm going to select those parts. So I already add markers to these ones right here. So you can mark them out if you want. So right here, I am going to screenshot this by clicking on this export frame button. And right here, you can give the file a name or the freeze frame or the picture a name. And then down here, you can select a format for it. So always go for PNG and then make sure that import into project is checked and then go ahead and click on OK. So immediately you do that, the file is going to be imported in your project library. You can click and drag it onto the timeline from there. And then right there, you can right click on it and then select edit in Photoshop. So basically what we are going to be doing is to get rid of the background in this image. So you are going to select the image and then head over to properties and select remove background. So the AI is going to automatically help you get rid of the background in the image. Now, if Photoshop didn't do a good job of removing the background, you can help yourself by restoring or adding those missing details manually. So after doing that, you can simply export the image. I'm going to put it in one of the folders on my desktop, let's say folder 5, and then click on save. Now I'm going to open the folder and then click and drag the image into Premiere Pro and position it where I want it to be. So in this case, I want it to be here. So I'm going to cut it right at the point where the subject walks into the frame. And then I'm going to select another frame and repeat the same process. So I'm going to click on export frame, select PNG, make sure that import into project is selected and then click on OK. From here, I'm going to click and drag it onto the timeline, right click on it, head over to edit in Photoshop, and then get rid of the background. And then click and drag the image into Premiere Pro and then replace it with the old one. And then next, I'm going to cut it right at the point where the subject walks in. And then I'm going to select another frame, this one right here, select export frame, format PNG, import in project, and click on OK. And then click and drag the picture onto the timeline and then right click and then edit in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.